Nothing creates a green oasis indoors quite like hanging houseplants with tarzan-like vines cascading from the ceiling. So next time you're decorating your house with greenery, don't just introduce plants at ground level. Spice things up a bit and create interest from top to bottom.
It's hard not to be tempted by devil's ivy. This is such a fabulous plant, and these long hanging tendrils are really good for creating that urban jungle feel in a house. And don't be afraid to go a bit wild with some of these stems. Hang them up all over the place and create a wall of greenery. It's a hell of a plant. This tough evergreen vine is top of our list of trailing beauties. It doesn't need much to drink, and it's perfectly happy hanging out anywhere from a bright bathroom to a poorly lit room. You'll also fall in love with the beautiful chain of hearts. This is a much daintier hanging indoor plant. Have a look at this, the beautiful heart-shaped foliage. On the back, it actually has tones of pink and lavender. It's really pretty. And that's why I've chosen this Jessa egg pot in exactly the same tone. And you'll love this. This pot actually has a drainage plug in the bottom, which means you can keep the plug in for indoor use, and then when you put it outside, remove the plug for drainage. If you want a really sophisticated look, this is a really nice combination. You could go for the beautiful hanging string of pearls and combine it with a lovely crisp white pot. And these plants like bright but indirect light, and remember they are a succulent, so don't overwater them. Let it shine in a bright spot indoors. The fleshy pea-like foliage looks just gorgeous, sprawling over the edges of containers or hanging baskets. Now, of course, hanging indoor plants don't necessarily have to have foliage that falls all the way to the ground. So you could look for varieties like this beautiful Boston fern, which has cascading foliage, but it sits beautifully in a macrame retro hanger. Now all you have to decide is which indoor plants you want to hang around with.